Let's discuss the exercise given on page number 159. Let us take up the first question. How many terminals are there in a cell? In an electric cell, how many terminals are there? We have studied that in each and every cell there are two terminals, the positive terminal and the negative terminal, and electric current flows through them. So the answer is 2. A option is the correct answer, that is, two terminals are there in an electric cell. The outer covering of the cell is made up of. We have studied the electric cell, its composition, and we have studied the outer covering of an electric cell. It is made up of zinc. So the answer here is zinc. We insert dash in a quartz watch for its working. So what do we use? What do we insert in the quartz watches for their proper working? We know that we use different cells in different equipments. So in this watch we use a button cell. Pencil cell, electric cell or a battery is not used in this watch. We use a button cell. So the correct answer is the option C, that is the button cell. Electric cell is not used in, means we use different equipments in a home, in a household, which are based on the functioning of cell, means cell helps them in working. So we have different equipments, but only you have observed that only small equipments, they are working with the help of cells, but an instrument like a refrigerator, which require a regular supply of electricity, it doesn't work on cells. So electric cells, they are not used in refrigerator. Refrigerator requires continuous supply of electricity for its proper functioning. Which of this is not source of electricity? So which out of these is not a source of electricity? Let us take up the options what are given to us. Generator, power station, battery and fan. So generator, we know that when electricity is not available, then on higher level, when we need electricity, when we need power, then we switch on the generators. We need generators for that. Then power station, that provide electricity to a particular area, to a city even. And batteries, they are also a part of some equipments that we use. All these are sources of electricity. But fan, it is not a source of electricity. It just works with the help of electricity. It is not the source of electricity. When we switch on the fan, then electricity works, the current passes, the circuit is complete and the fan starts moving. So we can't say that the fan is a source of electricity. The generator, power station and battery, all are the sources of electricity. They provide electricity. But fan, it works on electricity and it can't be called a source of electricity. Now we will take about electric circuit in next